My parents gifted me this green house. I will unpack this and show you my house. This is a father, mother, baby girl, baby boy. I will set up my house and I will show you my house in detail. This is a lamp with a shade, and there are two chairs. There is one piano and a TV.
Oh wow, this is a beautiful living room, well decorated living room.
And in kitchen there is one fridge, and there is a
Oh wow, there is one kitchen sink as well. Beautiful house.
in bathroom there is let's see. And there is a bathtub.
Oh wow, it has the bathtub also. It's a very big house. And this is the bedroom. Wow.
In
The girl
bedroom.
is sleeping on the bed.
And there is a beautiful bed. This bedroom with windows.
Oh wow. Acha, does this house light up?
Yeah.
Can you light up the house? Oh wow. Oh, it has a light. Beautiful. Oh, there are two lights. One in the living room. There's one in the kitchen. There's one in the kitchen. There's one in the bathroom. And one in the bedroom. There are 4 lights. Wow. And
there is a swimming area. In the swimming area, there is a swimming pool and an umbrella. There is a chair, and on the chair, the girl is sitting.
oh wow, the girl is taking sun bath, it seems.
And there is a dining table and there is a dog in
Oh,
the
there
house.
is puppy as well.
Yeah.
Very nice. This is a very beautiful house. And look, it also has one very large balcony. Wow. This is a very large balcony. And can I open the door?
Yeah. And there is a daddy.
Let's open the door of the house. Malak, please open the door of the house.
Okay.
Wow. Oh wow, this is really a beautiful house. There are 2 balconies in the bedroom, and there's one big balcony here where the mama is standing. Wow. And what is this, Malak?
It is a garage.
Oh, this is a garage. It opens with this button, I think. This button. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. And here comes my Beetle.
And there is the car, which is on Daddy Pig is sitting.
Wow,
And
wow.
the daddy is going
Is
to
this-
the office.
Oh, car is working. Wow. Daddy going to the office.
And mom is telling bye to daddy.
Wow, 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 wow. And the garage door closes.
And the door
Oh, Malak, the door is open. House door is open. You need to close that.
okay.
Wow. This is a very beautiful palace you have, Malak.
And Daddy Pig came back at home.
Oh, he's back home. He doesn't want to go to the office. He came back. So he'll have fun with the kids, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And mom.
So what do kids love most? They like to play in the pool. Come on.
They like to play in the pool and they
Let the girl dive in the pool. Come on.
the girl has died.
Wow.
And
Very
then
nice.
She is feeling
Oh,
cold.
what
so
is this
she-
boy doing? I think he is watching the TV.
Yeah.
He's watching the TV.
He's watching Tom and Jerry.
Oh wow, yes, there's a TV going on. This lampshade is also very beautiful, right? Decorated lamps. And wow, this is a very big
And
bathtub as well.
And mom came back down and Daddy Pig also. And Daddy Pig came out of the car and they both went to the boy and they said, don't watch TV.
Oh wow, they are saying boy not to watch TV.
And then boy came back and then he was eating dinner. Mom told to eat dinner.
Okay.
We started eating the dinner. And then Daddy
And
Pig
what does that puppy want?
That puppy wants a biscuit. Daddy Pig went and
Come on, okay.
and Daddy.
So now it's time to sleep.
Okay.
So turn off the lights. Just a sec. Yeah, turn off the light. It's time to say goodbye to all. Yes.
Goodbye, Daddy. Daddy went to the bedroom and thank you for watching my video. And please like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.